Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best impact socket sets of 2026. The essential lineup for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who need reliable tools for heavy-duty fastening. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, construction projects, or industrial maintenance, these socket sets combine strength, durability, and versatility. Today's models feature heat-treated steel, corrosion-resistant finishes, and a wide range of sizes, giving you the confidence to tackle any job. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect socket set for your toolkit. Check the description for the latest deals. And let's start strong with the best impact socket sets for 2026. Kicking things off with the BOEN 1/2 inch drive impact socket set. The BOEN 1/2 inch drive impact socket set is the heavy-duty option built for professionals. With its premium chrome molybdenum steel construction, it delivers strength and durability for demanding tasks. I love how its corrosion-resistant finish ensures long-term reliability, even in tough environments. Its wide range of sizes makes it versatile, while the sturdy case keeps everything organized. The sockets are clearly marked for easy identification, and the precision engineering ensures a secure fit. What makes BOEN attractive is its professional-grade performance. It's perfect for mechanics who need a set that can handle high-torque applications. For anyone who values durability and versatility, the BOEN 1/2 inch drive set is a must-have. Coming in next is the Easley 64 PCS 3/8 inch socket set. The Easley 64 PCS 3/8 inch socket set is the multitasking marvel designed for versatility. With 64 pieces, it covers a wide range of sizes and applications, making it perfect for automotive repairs and household projects. I appreciate its heat-treated steel construction, which ensures strength and durability. Its compact case keeps everything organized, while the clearly marked sockets add convenience. The 3/8 inch drive makes it suitable for medium-duty tasks, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Easley stand out is its value. It offers a comprehensive set without the premium price tag. For anyone who wants a versatile socket set for everyday use, the Easley 64 PCS is a fantastic option. Turning our attention to the Nyko 02448A Impact Socket Set. The Nyko 02448A Impact Socket Set is the trusted classic from a brand known for tool excellence. With its premium chrome molybdenum steel construction, it delivers strength and durability for heavy-duty applications. I love how its corrosion-resistant finish ensures long-term reliability. Its wide range of sizes makes it versatile, while the sturdy case keeps everything organized. The sockets are clearly marked for easy identification, and the precision engineering ensures a secure fit. What makes Nyko attractive is its reputation. It's trusted by professionals for dependable performance. For anyone who wants a reliable, professional-grade socket set, the Nyko 02448A is a solid contender. Let's check out the Swan Lake 3/8 foot drive impact socket set. The Swan Lake 3/8 foot drive impact socket set is the budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality. With its heat-treated steel construction, it delivers strength and durability for everyday tasks. I appreciate its compact design, which makes it easy to store and transport. Its wide range of sizes adds versatility, while the clearly marked sockets make identification simple. The sturdy case keeps everything organized, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Swan Lake attractive is its value. It's perfect for homeowners and DIYers who want reliable performance without overspending. For anyone who wants a dependable socket set at a budget price, Swan Lake is a great pick. Wrapping things up with the Casoman 3/8 inch drive impact socket set. The Casoman 3/8 inch drive impact socket set is the dependable everyday option for mechanics and DIYers. With its premium chrome vanadium steel construction, it delivers strength and durability for routine tasks. I love how its corrosion-resistant finish ensures long-term reliability. Its wide range of sizes makes it versatile, while the sturdy case keeps everything organized. The sockets are clearly marked for easy identification, and the precision engineering ensures a secure fit. What makes Casoman attractive is its balance of affordability and performance. It's a straightforward set that delivers dependable results. For anyone who wants a reliable socket set for everyday use, Casoman is a smart choice. All of these impact socket sets bring something valuable to the table depending on your needs and work style. The Bioyen 1/2-inch drive set is perfect for professionals who need heavy-duty performance. The Easily 64 PCS set offers versatility with a wide range of sizes. The Nyko 02448A set delivers trusted performance from a respected brand. The Swan Lake 3/8 set emphasizes affordability with reliable results. And the Keisoman 3/8-inch drive set stands out as the dependable everyday option. When choosing an impact socket set, it's important to consider material, size range, drive size, and organization. Chrome, molybdenum, and vanadium steels provide strength and durability, while corrosion-resistant finishes ensure long-term reliability. Larger sets offer versatility, while compact designs suit everyday tasks. Sturdy cases keep everything organized, and clearly marked sockets add convenience. Budget-friendly models provide solid performance, while premium options deliver advanced features for professionals. That wraps up my top 5 best impact socket sets of 2026. Whether you're a mechanic, a construction worker, or a DIY enthusiast, there's a perfect socket set here for you. These tools represent the best balance of strength, versatility, and value, helping you tackle tough jobs with confidence. So, if you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the socket set that fits your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. With the right socket set in hand, you'll be ready to take on any project, big or small, with strength, precision, and ease. Power up your work, simplify your projects, and enjoy the satisfaction of getting the job done right.